discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Traverse. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.